So what had happened was on last Thursday, the High Court Division Bench had passed an order releasing all three petitioners, that is Ryan Pinto, Rohan Dungat and Shankar Tiwari. So what had happened was Shankar Tiwari and Rohan Dungat were already out on parole, so there was no question of them being released. Only Ryan Pinto was not on parole, so he was still in prison. So until date, Ryan Pinto has not been released. So today morning at 10:30, I had mentioned the matter stating that he has not been released till date, and the High Court had kept the matter at 12:30. At 12:30, the High Court Division Bench questioned the PP and the government why he is not released, and the matter was once again kept at 2:30. Now at 2:30, the government has informed the High Court that he will be released immediately after completing all the formalities and will be released today itself. In Rohan Dungat's matter and Shankar Tiwari's matters, what happened was, although they were already out on parole, there was no formal order of their release. So the government has told them to report to the jail tomorrow at 10 o'clock, and they will complete all the formalities and they will be released. They will be out tomorrow only after passing the formal order.
आता कितक्या वर्सांनी भायर कितें सांगपाक सोदता?
First and foremost, I would thank God for His mercy. Secondly, I would sincerely apologize to the Suldekar family. And most importantly, I would thank my family for all their support. Thank you very much.